Hi guys, it's Ruthie with the Purple Backyard Farm. Clay is working on bee stuff and I want to share a headband with you. These are quick and easy to make. Just basically you're crocheting your favorite stitch into a big circle. I like the cotton yarn ones. I think it makes them look more dressy. And you can just make headbands and if you have to go somewhere or even if you're in the house, you can just slip on one of these and keeps your hair back while you're working, or you could wear them to a wedding or church or wherever depending on the yarn you use. This one has like a light beige, I don't know if you can see it, and around it I put a cotton white yarn, but it's just a different look and something that keeps your hair back while you're working. Or this one can be for dress or play depending on what you're wearing and what you're doing. Like on a hot summer day, you can put this around your head, and because they're so cheap to make, you can make a bunch of them and even give them for gifts at Christmas or the holidays. You can make a whole bunch. You can make them all different colors, and just a fun thing. I think if you do them in the cotton yarn, they're going to look a little bit more nicer than acrylic. So that's something to think about when you're making them, because it just looks a lot nicer. It looks more like natural and that type of thing. So there you guys go. Another idea. Here's a little close up so you can see it. I don't know how well it's showing up, but this is the other side of it. It's pretty much the same. So there you guys go. Okay, guys, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.